All right, our next little project is going to be putting some AN fittings there and there for a breather setup. I took out I took out the bolts and then the seal, O-ring seal, because if you don't, whenever you weld it, it'll just melt everything because it gets so hot. But yeah, I got to clean these up a lot, drill them, clean up the fitting a little bit. I mean, they're brand new fittings, but aluminum, you got to make sure it's real clean. And then TIG weld it. My aluminum welds are not pretty at all, but they will work. Hopefully I'm getting better. The last thing I did looked pretty good, so we'll see how these turn out.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I'm married to this game, that's who I made my wife. Said I die alone, I told that bitch she probably right. One thing that's for sure, not a stranger to this life. Gotta save this for the Franklins.
I am super proud of this. Usually my aluminum welds suck. I don't think that's too bad. I still got to do this one tomorrow, which I haven't even started on. I got to clean it, drill it, clean it again, and then clean it again, and then I'll weld it. But I got to go to work, so we'll do that tomorrow.
Damn right, I like the life I built. I'm from West Side 60, shit, I might got killed. Standing so tall, they think I might got stills. Legendary baller like Mike, like Will. 96 Impala, thug life on wheels. Up against the wall, squabble at Fox Hills. Like a motherfucking boss, ask me how I feel. Successful street nigga touching them first meals. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I got everything I said I was gonna get.
All right, we got these done. This one's not as pretty as the other one, but that one doesn't look too bad. I kind of like it. Guys are gonna come pick it up tomorrow, I think. So that's all. Nice little breather setup. Stock valve covers.